The arrest of Atlanta-based rapper 21 Savage by ICE has shocked a lot of people, and for a lot of reasons. For starters, many of the Grammy-nominated artist's fans didn't even know he was born in the UK. Some background is important here. 21 Savage legally came to the US as a child, but overstayed his visa. His lawyer says that happened through no fault of his own because he was a teenager when it happened. Whether or not 21 Savage will be deported depends on how an immigration judge rules on his case. One way the artist could be allowed to stay in the country is through a special visa for victims of serious crimes. His attorney says the rapper applied for that visa in 2017 on the basis of a 2013 incident in which he was shot and a friend was murdered. So what exactly is that visa program, and why was it created in the first place? Undocumented victims of serious crimes sometimes qualify for a U visa, but that's only if they've suffered physical or mental abuse as a result of the crime and cooperated with investigators. The program is meant to help law enforcement prosecute criminals by encouraging undocumented victims to come forward.
Aunque no tengamos documentos, tenemos derechos. Tenemos el derecho también a ser tratados con dignidad y justicia.
Genoveva Ramirez has been undocumented for more than 25 years, but she might one day have a path to a green card. That's thanks to her U visa application, which she filed a few years ago after being attacked during a burglary and assisting the police. Ramirez doesn't know the outcome of her application yet because it currently takes over 4 years for the government to process these cases. But in the meantime, she's applied for and has received a work permit. And that's quite the turnaround for the grandmother of 10 and mother of 4. In 2017, ICE told her she had 2 months to leave the country. But a lawsuit filed on her behalf led immigration authorities to start reviewing her pending U visa case and to defer her deportation.
We thought about they are trying to deport Genoveva, but she's still waiting for her U visa. So how is that possible, that you are trying to deport someone who's in the process of waiting for her, legal status?
¿Cómo te sientes cuando aprendiste que tu deportación era diferida?
Me entra una llamada de ella y me dice, ¿qué está haciendo? Le digo, pues aquí haciendo mis cosas para irme a trabajar. Y me dice, quiero que se siente y que me escuche. Dice, ya su deportación ha sido parada. Y yo dije, oh, yo estaba feliz, porque pues en ese momento yo me sentí más tranquila por mi familia.
Ramirez's husband and daughter have also applied for a derivative U visa because they are qualifying family members. The government only grants 10,000 U visas a year, but the number of people who apply is much higher. As a result, there are currently more than 200,000 pending cases. Many immigrant advocates want that cap to be raised or eliminated entirely. But critics of the program say it's too broad and subject to fraud, especially since eligible applicants are shielded from deportation until their case is adjudicated.